welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create a simple function in SQL. Here, we are going to create a scalar valued function. So before creating the function, let us know the purpose of creating the function. For that, if you take this table, you can see a column name ACSS number. Here you can see a variety of numbers, for example 3, 613, 2, 678 and all. So our simple task is to include two zeros in front of any number which has length lesser than 3. For example, this is 3 here, right? So our output should look like 0, 0, 3. So after creating the function, whichever row has only one or like only one or lesser than 3 will have zeros in front of it. So let's start writing the function. So now we are going to create a scalar valued function. So this is the common syntax. Create function. We can name the function. We can name it meaningfully. Include 0. It's up to your wish. You can name it as per your wish. So we are going to specify the parameters. So it is we can simply name it as 0. For example, it is going to be varchar 004 or maybe 5 to be in a safer side. Returns varchar 005. So when creating the scalar valued function, this line is very important because this returns determines it is a table valued function or scalar valued function. If you write here, if you write returns table, then it is going to be a table. Actually, it's going to be created as a table. The function will be created as a table. So we can select star from the function name. If you include this name, we'll get the data as we specify in that function. But we are going to create a function only for this particular column. So since we are creating it as a scalar valued function, so we have specified it as returns varchar 005 here, then as begin. So here we are going to specify, we are going to declare a variable and we are going to specify the parameter inside the variable. For example, let us declare the variable. So 0 str something varchar. Okay, now we are going to set zero str, which is our variable, sorry, is equal to a parameter. Now what we are going to do is, if the length of this variable is lesser than 3, we are going to include two zeros in front of the number. For that, if the length of at 0 underscore str is lesser than 3, set at 0 str is equal to 0 0 plus, that's it. If the length is lesser than 3, we're going to include two zeros in front of this. That's it. Our function is now complete. Now what we are going to return? We are going to return variable that we declared, so we can copy and paste it here and end. That's it. We have done with our function. Let us execute it. That's it. Now select star from company list. Okay, now we have the column. Okay, we are going to put this column inside a function that we created now. Select, include the function here, dbo dot, our function name is include 0, include 0, ACSS UMBR from the company list. That's it. You can see zeros are added in front of 3, and here 3, and we have 2 here. So these are the rows which has been updated. So that's it, guys. This is the simple way of creating a scalar valued function. Let me come back and explain you about table valued function in the upcoming class. Thank you.